Hello friends, welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 16 August 2020. This is our current affairs session. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. So try to watch the session till end for your better preparation. And those who first visit Educational Wing, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. Let's proceed. This was our previous two questions. Our first question was, who has been selected by the PESB as chairman of SEL? Vinod Sharma, Soma Mandal, N. Yadav, option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option B, Soma Mandal. Soma Mandal has been selected by the PESB. Abbreviation of PESB is Public Enterprises Selection Board. Public Enterprises Selection Board as the next chairman of the Steel Authority of India Limited. SEL means Steel Authority of India Limited, and Soma Mandal will replace Anil Chaudhary. I hope you got the answer now. SEL is in news. The headquarters of the SEL is situated in New Delhi. In New Delhi, headquarters of the SEL is situated, and it is founded in 1994. Okay. Our second question was, where Pramod Bhasin has been appointed as a new chairman? ICMR, ICRIER, DRDO, NTPC. The correct answer here is ICRIER. Option B is correct here. Pramod Bhasin recently appointed as a new chairman of ICRIER. ICRIER stands for Indian Council for Research on International Economic Relations. Okay, and recently the chairman is Pramod Bhasin. I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, who has announced Project Lion that will involve conservation of Asiatic lion and its landscape? Project Lion. Narendra Modi, Rajnath Singh, Nirmala Sitharaman, Prakash Javadekar. The correct answer here is option A, Narendra Modi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced the launch of the Project Lion that will involve conservation of the Asiatic lion and its landscape in a holistic manner. And he announced yesterday in Lal Killa in the celebration ceremony of 74th Independence Day of India. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Which state has become first in conducting COVID test in the country? Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Bihar. The correct answer here is option B, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh has become first in conducting COVID test in the country. Okay, it is conducting around 1 lakh. It is conducting around 1 lakh COVID test on a daily basis. Uttar Pradesh is in news. The capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow. Chief Minister is Yogi Adityanath, and Governor is Anandiben Patel. Anandiben Patel is the Governor of Uttar Pradesh. And for your knowing, Anandiben Patel is taking charge of both Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Okay. Next question. Who has developed a sustainable process to make space bricks on the lunar surface? ISRO, IISc Bangalore, NASA. Option D, both A and B. The correct answer here is both A and B. Option D is correct here. Both ISRO and IISc Bangalore. Okay. A team of researchers from ISRO and IISc Bangalore has developed a sustainable process to make space bricks on the lunar surface. Okay, space bricks on the lunar surface, and the joint venture of ISRO and IISc Bangalore. Indian Space Research Organization is the abbreviation of ISRO. Okay, and K. Sivan is the chairman. K. Sivan is the chairman of ISRO now. Next question. Police Medal of Gallantry have been awarded to how many police personnel on the Independence Day? 215, 199, 200, 300. The correct answer here is 215. Option A is correct here. Police Medal of Gallantry have been awarded to 215 police personnel for their conspicuous gallantry action. And the total 926 police medal is given, and from them 215 is gallantry police medal. Okay. The Inox Group will be the official sponsor of Indian team in which games? ISCC World Cups, Tokyo Olympics, Baseball World Series. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Tokyo Olympics. Option B is correct here. The Inox Group will be the official sponsor of the Indian team in Tokyo Olympics. Okay, and it will be held from July 23 to August 8, July 23 to August 8 in 2021. In 2021, Tokyo Olympics. Okay, and Inox Group will be the official sponsor here. Next question. Ayush Ministry has launched a campaign of how many months on Ayush through immunity through a webinar? 2, 3, 4, 5. The correct answer here is 3. Option B is correct here. Ayush Ministry has launched a 3-month campaign on Ayush for immunity. The name is Ayush through immunity. Okay, Ayush through immunity through a webinar. It is aimed at increasing the awareness about the affordable and easy practices that can be adopted for enhancing the immunity and preventing the disease. To enhancing the immunity and preventing the disease, this webinar is launched and it is of 3 months. Next question. Kaushik Khona appointed as CEO of his company? Go Air, Indigo, Air India, Vistara. The correct answer here is Go Air. Option A is correct here. Go Air. Go Air recently has appointed Kaushik Khona as its Chief Executive Officer, CEO, and you can see the image of Kaushik here. He will replace Binay Dubey. He will replace Binay Dubey and achieve the CEO position of Go Air. Okay. Question number 8. Which university is the rank first university or rank 1 university in the recent list released by Ministry of Education? Jawaharlal Nehru University, Rajiv Gandhi University, Jamia Millia Islamia. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Jamia Millia Islamia. Option C is correct here. Jamia Millia Islamia has been ranked as India's best central university in the recent list released by the Ministry of Education. About 90% got the Jamia Millia Islamia University. Okay, and Rajiv Gandhi University of Arunachal Pradesh is in the second position, and JNU or the Jawaharlal Nehru University is in third rank or in third position. Okay, and Jamia Millia University is in top position or India's best university in 2020. Okay, and the Ministry of Education released this report. Who is the Union Minister of Education now? Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank is the Minister of Education now. Okay. Next question. Student of which university have made an electronic mask? Electronic mask. Jadavpur University, Jawaharlal Nehru University, Jamia Millia Islamia. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Jadavpur University. Option A is correct here. The students of Jadavpur University have made an electronic mask which will be able to annihilate any virus in close contact to the person wearing to it. Okay, it is based on the electronic mask is based on the electromagnetic field EMF created by the mask will annihilate any virus including the coronavirus or the SARS-CoV-2. The actual official name of the coronavirus is SARS-CoV-2. Okay. Question number 10. President Ramnath Kovind has approved how many gallantry awards for defense personnel? 80, 82, 84, 90. The correct answer here is 84. Option C is correct here, 84. President Ramnath Kovind has approved 84 gallantry awards for defense personnel including 9 Shaurya Chakra award. Okay. This is our question of the day. You have to answer in the comment section and we will discuss this answer in our next session. Please try to answer more in comment section. Okay. Our first question is, which day is known as World Organ Donation Day? Our second question is Hermal chilies and Moira bananas got GI tag of which state? Please try to answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby many students got help. And those who first visit Educational Wing, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. Your little support give us various energy to being forward in a positive manner. Okay. Thank you.